Hello everyone. In this video we will see a concept called setBaseUrl. So while you define your test cases for all the APIs, there may be a case where you want to define an endpoint at a common place and define a host at common place and use that host across all the test cases. So this very optimized way to define the endpoints. So how to use this? We have to use this method setBaseUrl, and whatever is the base URL, that is a host you have to define. And how to use this we'll just see in a moment. And if you have a test case where let's say you have three test cases, two of them have a common endpoint, common host, the test case has a different host, that also you can include. So how to use that? Let us go inside our code studio. So what we will do, let's say we have defined three methods here. Two of them have a same host, if you see here, and the other has a different host. Now if I want to define this host at a single place, just to avoid the redundancy, how do I do that? Because you'll have 1,000 test cases. Defining this host in each and every test case will be not a good idea. So just see how we can avoid that. What you can do, right? Just you can use this request object from pactum. What you can do request dot, there is a method called setBaseUrl, and you can just define the base URL, that is the host. Cut from here, just add it here. Now I'll remove the host from here in the second test case also, and the third test case I'll just keep it as it is. Now what it will do, wherever you make a request, it will take this base URL and it will append it to this endpoint, and it will hit that API. Similarly for the second test case also, and for the third test case, as we have defined completely, it will not take. So let us try to run this and see what will happen. I'll just clear it. I'll try to run this. I'll say npm run test. See, all our test cases are passed. Now let us try to fail this. Let's say I'm doing some invalid URL in the base URL. Let's see if it's taking from there only or not. Again I'll try to run it. See, now one test case pass, which is this, and the other two test cases failed. Okay, why it failed? It says get address info is not found, because whatever host we have given is not correct. I'll just remove it, I'll save it, and we'll try to run it again. That's it. All our test cases are passed. That's it in this video. Let's meet in the next video with the other concepts. Thank you.